In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use archive instead of delete in Monday.com. Start by going to monday.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the board you want to manage. This is the board where the item you no longer want visible is currently listed. Next, find the specific item you want to remove from the active board without permanently deleting it. Hover your mouse over that item, and you should see additional options appear. Click the three dots next to the item to open the item menu. From that menu, click Archive. Monday.com will usually ask you to confirm this action. When that prompt appears, click Archive anyway. This removes the item from your main board view, but it does not erase it permanently. That's the key difference here. Archiving is useful when you want to clean up a board, reduce clutter, and keep your workspace organized while still holding on to important information for later. If you ever need to check what you've archived, go to the top of the board and click the three dots there. This opens the board menu. From that menu, click View Archive and then click Archive. You'll now see the archived items connected to that board. If you decide you need one of those items again, you can restore it. Simply select the archived item and click Restore. That sends it back to the board so you can continue working with it as usual. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Using archive instead of delete is a safer option when you're not completely sure you want something gone forever. It gives you flexibility, especially when you're managing projects, tasks, or old updates that might still be useful later. It's also a good habit when you're working with a team, because archived items can still be recovered if someone realizes that information is needed again. So, to recap in a simple way, log into monday.com, open your board, hover over the item, use the three-dot menu, and choose Archive. Confirm by clicking Archive anyway. Then, if you want to review archived items later, use the three dots at the top of the board. Open View Archive, click Archive, and restore any item if needed. And that's it. You now know how to use archive instead of delete in monday.com, helping you keep your board tidy without losing important work.